I don't know if I have enough skill to do this, but I have to try because look at it. It's, oh my god, it's so pretty. I got horns and stuff, but like I've never applied prosthetics, so this is gonna be a journey. Okay, wait, is she stuck? No. I don't know how I did it, and I don't like the placement, but I did it. I just did my eyebrows, and I'm gonna start on this journey of putting red all over myself. I have to do these lines. I'm so scared. Considering that I just struggled to do the wings, I don't have high hopes for this at all. If anyone says anything about literally anything being uneven, I will send you a personalized video of me crying. I forgot how to breathe. This is where we're at. I'm gonna add gems and maybe finish it and then be back. Nobody talked to me. Nobody talked to me. Are you shitting me? This is... I feel so cool. Don't look at my hand. Yes. I feel so cool. Wow.